Hi there guys, it's Joel here from Aussie Chart Trends. Today's market update is for Wednesday the 3rd of October 2012. Today's update we're going to be looking at the asx200 and we're going to take a look at the smp500 also. But before we get into today's update, I'm just going to remind everyone that aussiecharttrends.com.au and this video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in this video is intended to be used as any form of investment advice. I'm not a licensed professional. You need to make your own decisions regarding your investments. I'm just here to help anyone searching for a practical direction in today's markets. Okay, so firstly, we'll just take a quick look at the S&P 500. On the daily time frame here, we can see that this market is still in between these two green lines, and we haven't had a break to the downside. We had a brief break in last night's trade, but it didn't close below this line. This market is still edging on breaking down, and we are waiting for this market to break down. And I think once we do break down, we'll probably most likely come down to around that 1400 area, as discussed in previous videos. So let's take a look now at the asx200. Today we closed up around 6 points, and we still maintain this area, and we stayed above all areas of support. So that's a really healthy thing for the asx200. Let's take a look now on the hourly chart and see what's going on. Today I've added a new line on the chart. This yellow line here that's going across these two previous peaks here, I've added onto the chart. And as you can see, this will probably put up a small fight as the asx200 approaches this area. Now that's if we get there. Now the other thing is today that we closed right on this area. In yesterday's video I was saying that we could expect that the markets may want to come back down to backtest some levels down here around the 4,410 area before heading back up. And we still may get that back test. Nothing's to say that the market will make that back test though. We haven't really formed any sort of channel as of yet, so we're just sort of waiting to see what this market is actually forming here at the moment. But guys, the asx200 has been performing fairly well and the market is in good shape. The only thing that we have been watching is the S&P 500, and we can see that there could be a large bearish pattern that may be occurring there. But we wouldn't expect that pattern to be formed until sort of late October, early November. We pretty much had just an average day on the markets, and just keep your eye on this level up here as the next level of resistance around the 4,470 area. And we're maintaining, if we can maintain this area here, we'll be bound between these two areas as areas of support and resistance. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Today's a very quick market update. There's not a lot I could really share today, and I'll be back tomorrow with another free daily market update.